I'll just sum it up. Starting off a day with some Bondo. Wondering why I'm doing Bondo? Well, I mean, you can see it right there. I broke my lip. I don't know how that happened, but I am just gonna fix it. I'm gonna mold it and just cap it off like that. I'm not gonna put anything here because I'm not a professional and I don't want to buy a new one. So, Bondo. Let's see how this goes. Probably gonna turn out like shit. Now I'm just going to try to cut it and try to mold it to the way that it's supposed to be. Let's see how that goes. Probably a bad idea. After many hours, I got it to the shape that I would like. I mean, at this part, you're not gonna see as much, and I want to keep this as high as possible in the back, just in case if I hit anything, it's not gonna touch. But this should be fine with me. Yeah, and it's sturdy because I'm able to move all this. So, grab my sandpaper. I'm gonna get started on sanding, and hopefully it will be as smooth as possible. And I know this will take a lot more time than usual, so just bear with me for a good bit. Alright, let's get started. is the next day, and I got it to the way that I would like it. It's not 100% perfect. What, in my opinion, it's just like if I were to break this, then, well, I have to start over again. And most likely I will, like, in due time, because I don't even know how I demolished it last time. But I mean, if it's gonna happen again, it's gonna happen again. I mean, I might continue to sand it, but as of right now, I don't really care about it. I might redo it again on a later time, but I don't care too much about it because I'm just gonna break it again. So I'll wait for that to dry and then I'm gonna paint it. So continuing off where I left off, it's been a couple days. I am not going through with what I just have. I am gonna make it completely perfect, but it's taking a little bit of time because I realized after sanding a lot of it down, there's still more Bondo work I'll have to be doing, which is totally fine. But as of right now, I'm going to continue to keep sanding, and since I'm at home, I'm going to be using my angle grinder. That way I can just like sand everything a lot faster. I mean, I already tested it out. It looks like it's going by pretty quick. So I hope I don't mess up because this is very dangerous. But safety is first. Alright, gonna keep going. Hopefully I don't mess up. What the fuck? I guess that's what it's like. Jeez, that's dirty. Look. Oh my god, that's such a mess. But looks better. Probably gonna have to fill up that hole. Gonna need to do some more Bondo work up here. And then some sanding. I'm not gonna use the angle grinder on this because it's very close to the body. But it's getting very close. Look. I don't care too much about this edge because I think that's the reason why I broke. I'm not really sure how I broke it, but it's not too much of a difference for me as long as like it fills up this area. And then I just sand up this part. Should be good to go. But first, let me clean up this area because oh my god, that's dirty. So it looks like I'm gonna be putting it off for another day because it is raining a little bit. But I already got most of the sanding down, so I'm not too worried about that. Just have to finish up the Bondo, but I will show you the progress right now on how it looks after probably about like another 5 minutes of sanding. All right, as you can see, it's raining, and I'm just gonna let the rain do its work on cleaning this area up because I don't want to clean it. But this is the progress. It looks cleaner. It kind of goes with the body line a little bit. I mean, there could be a little bit more work here, but maybe I'll do a little bit more work on it. I'll do this by hand. That way it has like the curve, and not that way it can be curved, not sharp like this. And after that, after the rain does its work, oh wow, I got it dirty in there. Anyways, after that's done, then I would do a little bit more Bondo work like around this area. Maybe a little bit around this area. Hold up, let me see. No, but it's just this area. As long as I just do the Bondo work in this area and this area, and this thing will be good as new, almost. But I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, it's the next day. And Bondo is laid down to the best of my ability. There's a little bit of a divot right there. Hold up, let me see if I can get that covered up. Yeah. It's not pretty. Well, as soon as I sand it down and spray it, you're probably not gonna see it anyway. So to me, it's not really a big deal. It's just this, well, you don't see anymore, but there was a hole there. There was a hole there. After this is dry, then I can start sanding all this down, and then we should be done. I don't even know how many days it's been, but it's gonna be worth it. Got my mask on because I don't want to breathe this shit. Gonna go back to sanding it. Trying not to sand too much, but we'll see how this goes. And I forgot the handle. Let me grab the handle real quick. I thought it was dry. I was wrong. Oh, fuck. Yay. So I'm not doing this as like a perfect job. I mean, I can if I want to put in like the extra time, but I feel like I've been dragging this on for like a really long time. So I mean, this is as good as I will get it, and I honestly don't care if I break it again, because I don't know, I kind of have a different idea on what I want to do to my car. Maybe just, I don't know, maybe a different front lip, maybe something different. I honestly have no idea, because I'm not, there's something that I saw online that I might get, and either way it's just going to cover up that area as well. So I'm not too big on just covering, like making that 100% perfect when there's something that can cover it. So this is as good as it's gonna get, at least for now. Eventually, if I decide to go back and redo the whole thing, I will. I mean, or just get a new lip. I personally have no idea. Maybe a wide body, but that's like future plans. Future plans. Like, if we'll see how everything goes, but this is as good as it's gonna get. I mean, as you can see, back there, there's definitely still a hole that I did not cover up, but I don't really care about it. This part, it kind of bothers me, but I'll probably go back over it on my free time and redo it. But other than that, it doesn't look too bad. Anyways, that should be it for the video, I guess. Like, there's not much for it to do besides just going back over it. Eventually I will do that, because right now I have something else I gotta do. Yeah, that should be it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.